Good day, gentlemen. I am going to go through some examples for you on solving quadratic equations, and it comes from exercise 21I and 21G. I know that I have not corrected that as yet, but I just wanted to go through some more examples with you so that you better understand how to solve the quadratic equations. Okay, so let's look at an example. Question 1. Let's say we have x plus 9 into x minus 6, and that is equal to 34. So the first thing we're going to do is to expand the left hand side. So that will give us x squared minus 6x plus 9x minus 54 is equal to 34. So that will give us x squared plus 3x minus 54 is equal to 34. And let's bring everything across from the right hand side to the left hand side. So we're going to subtract 34 from both sides. And we're going to get x squared plus 3x minus 88 is equal to 0. And now we could factorize this. So the factors a and b. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 88. So ac we know is minus 88 and b is 3. So we can already use the factors of 88, which will give us a sum of 3. It will be 11 and negative 8. So this now becomes x squared plus 11x minus 8x minus 88 is equal to 0. And so we're going to factorize, so you're going to get x into x plus 11, and again bring across the x plus 11 here, and this becomes minus 8. So you're going to get x minus 8 into x plus 11 is equal to 0. So then x minus 8 is equal to 0, or x plus 11 is equal to 0. So you're going to get x is equal to 8, or x is equal to minus 11. Continuing, let's look at another question. Let's say we have x minus 1 into x plus 10 plus 30 is equal to 0. So again, we're just going again, so let's expand. You're going to get x squared plus 10x minus x minus 10 plus 30 is equal to 0. So in simplify, you're going to get x squared minus 9x. You're going to get plus 20 is equal to 0. So the factors of 20 that will give you 9 is 5 and 4. So you're going to get x squared minus 5x minus 4x plus 20 is equal to 0. So you're going to get x into x minus 5, x minus 5, and this should get negative 4 here is equal to 0. So you're going to get x minus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So either x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So you're going to get x is equal to 5, or x is equal to 4. So let's continue. So we're going to look at another example. Let's say we have x plus 5 over 2 plus 1 over x is equal to 1. So we had questions like this from before. So what we did, we took the LCM across. LCM of the entire statement. So the LCM, and this is 2 over 1, so it's LCM of 2x and 1 is 2x. So 2 into 2x is x, so it'll be x into x plus 5 plus x into 2x is 2, so this is plus 2. And 1 into 2x is 2x by 1, which is 2x. So denominators being the same across, we can just equate the numerator. So you're going to get that x into x plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 2x. So that's x squared plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 2x. Bring the 2x across, we're going to subtract the 2x. This is x squared plus 5x plus 2 minus 2x is equal to 0. So you're going to get x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. And then now this is x squared plus 2x plus x plus 1, x plus 2, sorry, is equal to 0. So you're going to get x into x plus 2. Put back the x plus 2 again. This will just be plus 1 is 0. So we're going to get x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So in terms of worded questions now, alright, let's look at question 1 of exercise 21J. So let's look at it. The square of a number x is 16 more than 6 times the number. Form an equation in x and solve it. Okay. So the square of a number x is 16 more than the number. Okay. So the solution to this question is, so we say x is square of x. So the square of x is already x squared. This is 16 more, so 16 times, or 16 more than 6 times the number. So it's 16 more than 6 times the number. So you have x squared plus 6x, x squared, sorry, is equal to 16 plus 6x. And that is your equation. And we can simplify by bringing across the 6x and the 16, so you're going to get x squared minus 6x minus 16 is equal to 0. And the factors of 16 that would give us 6 would be 8 and 2. So this will be x squared minus 8x plus 2x minus 16 is equal to 0. So it will be x minus 8 by x into x minus 8, again bring it back, and this is just plus 2. So you're going to get x plus 2 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. So we're going to get either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0. So you're going to get x is equal to negative 2 or x is going to be equal to 8. We are going to look at another question. Let's say question number 7. Peter is X years old and his sister is 5 years older. If the product of their ages is 84, form an equation in X and solve to find Peter's age. So they told you here that Peter's age is X and his sister is 5 years older. So Peter's sister's age is X plus 5. And then product of the ages is 84. So it's Peter's age and his sister, who is 5 years older, X plus 5, is going to be equal to 84. So you simplify your left hand side, so it's X squared plus 5X is equal to 84. So you're going to get X squared plus 5X minus 84 is going to be equal to 0. So the factors of 84, that will give you 5. It will be 12 and 7. So you're going to get X plus 7 or plus 12X minus 7X minus 84 is going to be equal to 0. So X into X plus 12, and this is X plus 12, and this would be just negative 7. So you're going to get X minus 7 into X plus 12 is equal to 0. So you get either X is minus 7 is equal to 0 or X plus 12 is equal to 0. So you're going to get X is equal to 7 or X is equal to negative 12. But somebody cannot be negative 12. So therefore me implies that Peter's age is equal to 7. It could only be 7. It can't be any other number. And one more example of a worded question. Let's look at question 10. Okay. You have a rectangle, so let's draw a rectangle. Right. So a rectangle is 5 centimeters longer than it is wide. If its width is X centimeters, so it's 5, so the width is X, so the length is going to be X plus 5 centimeters. If its width is X centimeters and its area is 66 centimeters, form an equation in X and solve it. Okay. So the area of a rectangle is equal to length by width. So 66 is equal to X plus 5 by X. So it says X squared plus 5X is equal to 66. Taken across on the right hand side, see 66, you're going to get X squared plus 5X minus 66 is equal to 0. And this is equal to X squared. The factors of 66, that will give you 5. That will be 11 and 6. So it's plus 11X minus 6X minus 66 is equal to 0. So X squared plus, so it'll be X into X plus 11. Put back your X plus 11 again. And this will just be minus 6. So you're going to get X plus 11 into X minus 6 is equal to 0. So X is going to be equal to, X is equal to, X plus 11 is equal to 0, or X minus 6 is going to be equal to 0. So you're going to get X is equal to negative 11, or X is equal to 6. But you know that the length cannot be negative. So X is equal to 6 centimeters only. and x is your width. So the length is x plus 5, which would be 11 centimeters. Enjoy your weekend. I will post some more videos once I get a chance. So this is just an idea of how to complete exercise 21I and 21G, which will be corrected on Tuesday of next week.